Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale cultural understanding with Mango languages, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by introducing yourself and the topic at hand. Start with a brief overview of cultural understanding and its importance in today's globalized world. Introduce Mango languages as a resource designed to help individuals enhance their cultural awareness through language learning. Explain that this guide will cover effective steps to scale cultural understanding using Mango languages. First, create an account on the Mango Languages platform. Visit the official Mango Languages website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your personal details such as your name, email address, and a secure password. Once registered, log into your new account to access the learning materials. Explore the diverse languages offered on Mango Languages. Take note of which language resonates with your cultural interests the most. Select the language you wish to learn and click on its specific course. Familiarize yourself with the course layout and available modules. Engage with the introductory lessons that focus on essential phrases and cultural insights. Make use of the Cultural Notes feature provided in the app. Study relevant cultural contexts and customs associated with the language you're learning. Dedicate time daily to practice speaking through interactive dialogues. Utilize the voice comparison tool to assess your pronunciation against native speakers. Immerse yourself in the multimedia resources available, such as videos and music. Join the community section to interact with other learners and share cultural experiences. Consider integrating your language learning into your daily life. Label common items in your home with their names in the target language. Seek out cultural events related to your language of interest in your community. Commit to a regular schedule for both language practice and cultural exploration. Utilize progress tracking tools on Mango languages to stay motivated. Review completed lessons to reinforce your understanding and retention. Reflect on what you've learned about the cultural nuances associated with the language. Gradually expand your learning to include regional dialects or variations of the language. Conclude your journey by evaluating your progress and setting new cultural goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.